In this video, I'm about to share a business lender that approves high amounts for cash advances. A business cash advance, also known as a merchant cash advance, is another form of unsecured business funding. And I know what you're probably thinking, am I eligible? Yes, you are if you've been in business at least 6 months and you make $12,000 a month. And guess what? Bad credit is okay. This type of financing consists of a lump sum payment given to your business in exchange for future revenue or credit card sales. And guess what? You don't have to worry about your credit score. This is great if you have a high revenue business where sometimes you're hurting for cash. And the name of this lender is Uplyft Capital. So let's jump on the computer so I can give you more details about Uplyft Capital. All right, let's go over Uplyft Capital's starter program. So you can get anywhere from $8,000 to $30,000 for 2 to 5 months. You have a 1.40% rate and you can renew it. Now, the requirements for all of these programs are you have to have a driver's license, a voided check, proof of ownership, bank validation, and they will deposit the money in 1 to 2 days. This does not take a long time, guys. All right, with the standard program, you can borrow from $5,000 to $125,000 for 2 to 7 months, a 1.34% rate, and you can renew it. All right, with their premier program, now this is where the money starts to get up there. You can go from $10,000 to $250,000, 3 to 8 months, a 1.30% rate, and the renewal, you can renew it. All right, now here's their bigger program. You can borrow from $30,000 to $500,000 for 3 to 12 months with a 1.24% rate. And this is not an interest rate. This is a factor rate. Also, you can renew this. Let's go over the type of industries that Uplyft Capital will work with. They'll give you a beauty salon loan, hair salons, makeup salons, day spas, and more. Also, accounting firms. You may have an auditing, bookkeeping practice. Auto dealer loans. You may be an independent dealer, used car dealer, or a repair shop. All right, then we have attorney firm loans for family law, personal injury law, real estate law, and all specialties. Or maybe you have a staffing service and you need a loan for recruitment agencies, contract to hire businesses. Manufacturer loans. These are the ones that I think really can make money, manufacturing loans. You may have metal manufacturing, food production, wood processing, and more. Or retail store loans, convenience store loans, specialty stores, used goods, and more. Or you may need a cleaning service loan where you have commercial cleaners, home cleaners, window cleaners. These are jobs that you can turn over fast and make a nice profit. Now, this is where this could have made sense for me, guys. I used to be in construction when I was really young, and I used to feel so crazy where I would pay all my employees, pay all my suppliers, and sometimes it was hard for me to pay myself. So a construction business loan, I can see this really helping construction guys because you have high contracts and you usually make a nice profit. So all the electricians, plumbers, HVAC guys, you really could probably benefit, especially when you're starting out with a construction loan. Also, my wife and I, we own a restaurant. So I could see this helping us as a restaurant loan if we have a huge order. There was a story that just came out where Elon Musk ordered a large order of pies and then he declined the order and this lady was left out holding the bag, but he ended up coming back and paying for it. But in this story, the lady was really stressed out because she didn't have the resources to absorb such a big order. So I can really see how this could help a restaurant when it comes to catering. If you got a coffee shop and you have a huge corporate order. All right, this is another industry I can see it really helping, a collision repair or automotive repair shop loans. You know, my uncle has an auto body shop and he has major wrecks come in sometimes. And the time between he gets his money from the insurance company to the time the car is fixed, I could see one of these loans helping. Also, medical practice loans, surgeons, psychiatrists, dermatologists. These are several industries that Uplyft Capital has helped over time. Now, if you're ready to go ahead and get a loan for Uplyft Capital, remember, we have the link in the description below. All you have to do is fill out the desired amount, what does the business do, your business start date, your credit score, which really doesn't matter because as long as you make a high revenue, you can get approved. All right, the business debt, and then what type of bank account that you actually have. And what they mean by business debt is none, low, medium, or high. And check your eligibility. It will not affect your credit score. And remember, Uplyft Capital has funded over $300 million in deals and helped over 4,500 businesses. It's an easy sign up. It's an online application that you can complete within minutes. In most situations, you can get a same day decision. It's fast funding deposited into your business bank account. All right, let's read this testimony from Aziz. He said, people come and buy a lot from me and they love my cooking so much. So obviously this is a restaurant owner as of February 3rd, 2024, and this helped him out a lot. All right, let's look at this testimony from Hector Ramirez. He says, I use Kelme at Uplyft Capital many times, and it's always a smooth process for business capital approval and funding. I highly recommend, and this is as of December 15th, 2023. Let's recap everything, guys. If you have any comments about Uplyft Capital, leave them below. And if you know anybody that could use this lender, please share this video. While a bank loan or a term loan may keep you tied to it for years and have high interest, you know, the business cash advance does have its advantages. It's much shorter and you can repay it faster. You know, I believe this program can really help you if you generate profits really quickly. You're in a high revenue business with super high profits in a short period of time. I think this can help. I even heard YouTube creators are using it to market, or Facebook creators as well, because they've learned something in their business and now they're able to capitalize off of it faster. But I do believe if you have great credit, you're better off going to the bank, getting a personal loan, even to get your business started, because you're going to get better rates. When you have great credit, you always get the best rates. But don't let bad credit hold you back. Remember, you can always fix your credit using AI. Matter of fact, check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith, and keep empowering your finances.